गोंयांत सगळ्या धर्माचे लोक रावतात आणि एकामेकाचे धार्मिक सण एकचारान मनयतात. शिवोले माय दे देऊस कपेलात एक वेगळीच परंपरा आसा. ही प्रथा 1943 ह्या काळात सुरू केल्ली. जे चली नवे व्हंकल जावपाचे आसता ताका कपेलाच्या मुखार आशिल्ले अवर लेडी ऑफ फातिमाचे मुर्तेक मुकुट घालपाची संद मेळटा. ओनो ही संद फ्रांजा फर्नांडीस हाका मेळ्ळी. पळयात काय खीण.
The blessing of the and as a chaplain, my name is Aditya Rodriguez. I do this blessing.
Hi, I'm Franza Fernandez. I'm from Gausawada, Sholin. I'm feeling so blessed and that I had the honor of crowning Mother Mary today. I just feel so overwhelmed with emotion and I'm very happy that I requested our chapel members if I could do it this year and they so readily agreed to it, and it just feels so surreal standing over here and I'm just so grateful to God.
How have you prepared yourself?
So this is a day that I have dreamed about since I was a child. I've seen this tradition happen over here and I would see the bride and I would see all the flowers and it was it was like a fairy tale, and I knew that one day I wanted to be part of it, but I did not imagine that it would happen this year. This just happened suddenly and I just felt like I need to do it this year. I need to crown Mother Mary this year, and I've prepared myself by I've been praying and I've been involved in basically everything as in the preparations for this day, and it just feels unbelievable and it's very beautiful.
My dear friends, we welcome you for today's this little ceremony at Our Lady of My De Deus Chapel at Shivalim, Gausawada. Today, 1st May, and every year on 1st May during this novena, we have this particular event here that is called crowning of the statue of Our Lady of Fatima. And this is something unique about this place. It only happens in this particular place, nowhere else. Not in India and other parts maybe, but in Goa it is the only place where this event is held. The traditional of crowning of is done by a young maiden who is going to get married very soon. She will have the honor of crowning the statue of Our Lady of Fatima. So today we have from our Wado, Franza Fernandez. She has the privilege of crowning the statue of Our Lady of Fatima. We pray for her. We pray for all the devotees who are gathered here.